G'day. Today I'm going to share with you a little bit of a pet project that I've been working on for a little while now. This project is called Ollie OLED, and my task is quite simple. Can I take one of these little OLED displays, an Arduino UNO, a few jumper wires, and make a little character that feels and behaves in a human kind of manner? That's my mission. There really isn't much to this project. I have here an Arduino UNO R4 WiFi, a cheap OLED display off AliExpress. This is often referred to as a 1306 display. This version is I2C, so there are only 4 wires required. Lastly, I've got some jumper wires. This Arduino is brand new, straight out of the box, with a little love heart on that LED matrix. Connecting up the OLED, pretty straightforward. Labeled here on the OLED, from the left, you can see VCC. In simple terms, VCC just really means either 5 volts or 3.3 volts off of the Arduino. The next pin is labeled GND, which is ground. Then there is SCK. On the OLED we have SCK, and on the Arduino we have SCL. Both mean serial clock. Even though SCK and SCL are actually 2 different protocols, without getting into things too heavily, the SCL pin and the SCK pin on the OLED will talk to each other quite happily. The last pin is SDA, which is serial data. There is also a serial data pin on the Arduino, and they will be connected together as well. The first pin I'm going to connect is going to be the clock, SCL. For that, I'm using the yellow jumper. I'll connect that to SCK on the OLED. I'll then connect SDA, which is going to be green. And connect that to pin 4 of the OLED. Next, I'll connect the red colored wire to 5 volts pin, and connect that to VCC on the OLED, which is pin 1. And lastly, I'll connect this orange pin to ground, and that will go to ground on the OLED. Here is a close-up of the wires coming out of the back of the OLED, and a close-up of the wires attached to the board. The next thing to do is upload Ollie's code to the Arduino. And there you have it. Ollie is in business. Anyway, I think that's enough from me today. If you've got an idea for an OLED project, if you think you could make a better Ollie, or maybe you've got some suggestions how Ollie might react to the environment rather than just being random, put a comment there. I'd love to follow up on any suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you later.